Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching.
So today, we'll be making an amazingly potent hair growth oil. This oil consists of natural seeds, herbs, and oils. It's amazing for your hair because it stimulates hair growth, it stops shedding and hair fall, it prevents balding and alopecia, and it fights dandruff or any scalp issues you might be having. If you'd like to know the ingredients, stay tuned. The very first ingredient we'll be using are fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are known to strengthen the hair due to its rich composition of protein and iron. It's also a rich source of vitamins A, C, and K, and folic acid, which helps to improve hair growth. It also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help soothe inflammation and treat scalp issues. And lastly, it adds luster and softness to your hair. Now the ingredient we'll be using are cloves. You guys know we also love cloves. Cloves contain a property called eugenol, which helps to boost hair growth, and it's known widely to strengthen, repair, and add shine to your hair. The ingredient we'll be using are black seeds. Now you guys know we love black seeds and we have several videos where we've used black seeds. Black seeds can help prevent and restore hair shedding and balding. It also consists of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties which help fight bacteria in the scalp. Now the last ingredient we'll be using are bay leaves. Some people call these curry leaves, but they are originally called bay leaves. These are usually used as a spice in cooking, and they are actually an integral ingredient in many essential oils. It contains 2% oils that can be extracted to make an essential oil. Bay leaves increase blood circulation in the scalp. It also helps to reduce dandruff and dry scalp. It contains a high amount of antioxidants which strengthen your hair roots, and it helps to detoxify your scalp. Now, roasting these seeds and herbs actually open them up for better infusion. Another method you can use is blending the seeds and herbs and actually infusing it. But this method works for us and it smells amazing. You know it's ready when your leaves turn brown. Now, this oil can be used every 2 to 3 days. It can be massaged into your scalp. It can be massaged onto the body of your hair. It can be used as a pre-poo. It can be used to condition your hair. It can be used even as a hot oil treatment because this oil has so many rich benefits. The oil can be stored in a cool and dry place, and it should be used for a duration of 2 to 3 months. After 2 to 3 months, we wouldn't recommend you use it because the oil can possibly go rancid. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, do let us know down below. If you would like to see more hair growth oil recipes from us, let us know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!